Welcome to Portal 7. In this video we are going to see how to customize Windows 11 context menu. When you right-click on Windows 11 you see this type context menu. To customize this, like Windows 10 or older versions, click on Start. Type CMD, run as administrator. And copy-paste this command. And press enter. I will add this command in video's description, you can copy from there. This will take effect only after you restart your computer. Now you can see full options context menu same like Windows 10. This way you only need one click to find what you want. To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.